This is Vishu from Figma Plugin, the plugin for exporting HTML email templates from Figma. This is the second episode of series where I design interesting sections of email that I found, then export this in Figma and test how it works in Outlook and Gmail. And in today's video we're going to redesign this top section from call email with image on top, then this beautiful gradient and this section inside. Let's see how it works in Markup plugin and how it works in Outlook. So let's go to the Figma. So this is our Figma file. I get an image, some text blocks from original email. So let's start to build this top section. And let's start with this block with text and this kind of line. So let's select all the things, then click on this icon, Figma create a new frame, let's call it content, then add white background color, add some corner radius, add vertical and horizontal spacing. So this is our content part. Then let's create this top section. This is original image from original email. So let's crop it by this line and create a new email body frame, this 600 width, then apply auto layout, set fixed width, add background color from original email, remove default spacing, add our content, then let's add padding for the content, this gaps. So to do so, let's wrap a content in one more frame, which will have this padding top and bottom. So let's set fill container, and for the content, fill container 2. So now we have resizable email. Let's add this section. And now our goal is to create beautiful transition between these two blocks. So I will use gradient for it. So let's create rectangle. So let's wrap this image into a frame. So now it's a frame without auto layout and image. So it's a rectangle. Let's add color and gradient. Let's set this to 0 opacity and use my favorite plugin called Easy Gradients to make these gradients better. This plugin adds multiply stops to make your gradient better. So I add this into our new frame with image. Now we have this transition, but then final touch is to add a progressive blur to this original image. To do so, select an image, go to effects, select layer blur, switch to progressive, and adjust it to make transition like so. So this is our final result. It's not the same as original mail, but with gradients and progressive blur, we can create this kind of transitions for our emails. So let's run the plugin, click on the email, preview it, So this is how it works. All things works well. And to export HTML template, click on export. You can copy code or download HTML. The next step is to let's try to check how it works in real inboxes, Outlook and Gmail. So this is our final result. Let's see how it works in Outlook. This is the HTML format marker plugin. As you can see, the font works perfectly and the gradient works well. And corner radius not works well in Outlook, but it's a common issue. It's okay. So this iPhone and some other email clients. So thank you for watching. If you have some interesting emails to redesign, please let me know in the comments.